Now keep in mind this. 1 will be slow. 2 is slow. 3 and 1. That's quick, slow. 3 and 1. 2, 3 and 1. 2, 3 and 1. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Exactly. So it's 4 steps in 3 beats. Let's do it to the other direction. 1, 2, 3, and 1. 2, 3, and 1. 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. Always you keep your torso to the center. And now see, if we practice with a partner, we can do both leader and follower the same movement as an exercise. We do the one, kind of the chair will be in between us. And the chair is here inside, so our torso face each other. 2, 3, and 1. 2, 3, and 1. 2, 3, and 1. Okay? Other direction. 1, 2, 3, and 1. 2, 3, and 1. 2, 3, and 1. Okay.